Greg from Motorsports Engineering in Portland, Oregon. We've had our Vixen 1215 for about 5 years now. It's been a really great addition to our shop equipment. We got it originally to kind of focus on motorcycle restoration projects, especially obviously aluminum sand castings. But since then we've done a lot of plastic 3D printed processing for 3D printers, and also quite a bit of automotive restoration stuff, from aluminum castings to steel to post-processing heat treated parts to descale them. So 1215 is a really good size, and it's been a good machine for us.
Okay, this is a well-seasoned Land Rover bell housing, and I'm just going to shoot a little bit of a section to just show the rate at which it cleans.